Hi guys, welcome to my channel KP Financial and Strategy Review. Myself Praveen Kumar. In today's video, I will discuss about importance of financial statements and types of financial statements and how to review and analyze those financial statements, and generally as a finance manager or as a finance controller or as a CFO or as a finance director or as a CEO or any other the designation, whatever the name you called as, how they will review and how they will analyze the financial statements. We'll discuss in detail in a short summary. And before proceeding further, see, these are the generally four types of financial statements. We can say three types of financial statements. One is a balance sheet, income statement, number two, number three, cash flow statement. And if you see, as per this accounting statement, these are nothing but financial documents, and these financial documents are prepared as per accounting principles and policies applicable for the particular company, and those accounting principles are nothing but as per US GAAP or as per IFRS. US GAAP is nothing but United States generally accepted accounting principles. IFRS is nothing but International Financial Reporting Standards issued by FASB and IASB for IFRS. For US GAAP it is FASB, for IFRS it is IASB. And these are the boards. They will be setting the standards for accounting standards, and accounting principles of a company will be in line with those accounting standards. Now, if you see generally as a whole, the financial statements will be five types: balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, statement of changes in shareholders' equity, and notes to accounts. But here, to understand in a layman's language, I have given only three. That is balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Before proceeding further, I will give you basic example so that you can understand in a better manner. For any human being, for any person, whenever they want to know what is the health condition of any person, whenever you want to visit to any doctor, generally they will measure and evaluate the health condition of any person by performing certain tests. Generally, basic tests are testing BP levels and sugar levels, thyroid levels, and COVID testing, etc. These are the basic tests a doctor will perform so that they can analyze and review what is the health condition of a particular person as of the particular date based on those reports. As on the particular date based on those reports. In a similar manner, if you want to analyze the financial performance and financial health of any company, these are the generally 3-4 documents available. Based on this, by understanding and interpreting these documents in a proper manner, a meaningful manner, you can assess what is the financial health of the particular company. Those are balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. What is balance sheet? As on this particular measurement date, what is the financial position of this company in terms of assets, liabilities, and equity. In terms of income statement, for this particular accounting period, how the company has been performed, how much of sales has been generated, sales has been made, how much of cost has been incurred in order to generate the sales, how much of expenses has been incurred for the fixed cost, variable cost, and etc. So further cash cost and as well as non-cash items, etc. So what is the net profit or loss for the particular accounting period will be measured. And cash flow statement is nothing but, since in income statements include both cash and non-cash items, in cash flow statements only focuses on cash items. During this particular accounting period, how much of cash has been generated by the entity, how much of the cash has been utilized by the entity. So whether it is a positive or negative, we'll get in terms of cash flow statement. In income statement, if there is a loss, doesn't mean it's a bad picture, doesn't mean the entity is not performing well. In a similar manner, in short run, in a similar manner, cash flow statement, if the cash flow is negative, doesn't mean the entity is performing very bad, doesn't mean it is a negative, doesn't mean it's a bad. We have to see what is the reasons for that, whether it's a short term or long term, what could be the reasons for that. We need to check in detail over a period of time. So now coming to, this is the basic analysis. Now come to further analysis. Generally, in a finance department, as long as you are working as a finance manager or accounts manager or as a finance controller or CFO, generally with these financial statements, what they will do, how they will review these financial statements, what kind of understanding they will draw based on the analysis of these financial statements, and how they will conduct analysis of those financial statements. This is the framework for that. See, there will be two types of analysis. One is horizontal analysis and other is vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis is also called as trend analysis. This is nothing but comparing 1 month over previous month, 1 quarter versus previous quarter, one particular accounting period versus previous accounting period, comparing one entity with other entities also. This is called as horizontal analysis. It is supported by US GAAP and IFRS. And even when you preparing financial statements, we will prepare and present financial statements in comparative manner. That is nothing but horizontal analysis. What is next is vertical analysis. What is this vertical analysis? Vertical analysis is also called as common size analysis. This is nothing but here we will not present comparison with one period with another period. Rather than that, we will do analysis in a different manner. That is, we will be calculating each line item of say P&L account. Each line item of each component of P&L account will be measured as a percentage of total sales. In case of balance sheet, each line item of balance sheet will be measured as a percentage of total assets. And why it is done? Here it is done mainly to measure what is the per cost per unit, cost per unit, or as well as otherwise percentage of cost, and where it is where the cost is higher, where the cost is lower, where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, where are the areas for improvement and controls. So these are the vertical analysis will provide a useful tool for that. Generally it is called as internal analysis or managerial analysis or MIS reporting analysis, we can say. And if you see from a statutory compliance point of view, horizontal analysis will be performed. For internal business meetings or business decisions point of view, vertical analysis will be performed. But as a whole, what I suggest is you need to prepare financial statements by combining both horizontal analysis and as well as vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis will provide you the trend and patterns. Vertical analysis will provide a meaningful analysis of each line item of P&L or balance sheet. For cash flow analysis is nothing but prepared in three categories: operating, investing, and financing activities. But further to that, this further cash flow analysis should be segregated into free cash flows analysis, so that an entity, whether they are having a free cash reserves in order to expand and grow in the future period, we can understand based on free cash flow analysis rather than cash flow analysis. And how to conduct free cash flow analysis means, from cash flow analysis you need to make certain adjustment for the capital expenditure. Based on that we can arrive free cash flow analysis figure. And thereafter, the next level of checking will be ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is nothing but will be basic level of testing, will be further segregated into profitability point of view, efficiencies point of view, and liquidity point of view, and as well as solvency point of view. How are we performing? Are we good? Are we as per the standards? Are we comparing with benchmarking? How poor are we? How good are we? Where are we lying? Where are we lacking? Where are the gaps? Those kind of critical information can be obtained by conducting this ratio analysis. Hope you enjoyed this video. You got the crux of this subject. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I will be posting series of videos very shortly.